Yeah, listen. 16th question. The question I'm explaining you should understand the question. Very important question. A sum of rupees 2,800. We should distribute for four prizes. We should distribute for four prizes. Total sum is 2,800. How we have to distribute? That is a very important part. That given what? Each prize after the first prize is 200 less than the preceding price. 200 less than the preceding price. If you have, suppose if I give 500 first price, the second price will be 200 less than to this, that will be 300, and again will be 100. Like this we have to distribute, not 200, not 500, not 300, not 100. We don't know how much the separate money, but we should distribute like that. The first price, if you take something, the second should be less than 200. If you take first price 1000, the second should be 800, and then should be 600, then should be 400. Like that we should distribute for how many members? 4 members only, 4 prizes only. The sum of all 4 prizes is given what? 2,800. And then what are the separate amount? What are the separate amount? I think that only is asking. Yeah, then find the value of each of these prizes. Then find the value of each of these prizes. Okay. So here given what? Total amount is 2,800. And we don't know the first amount. We don't know the first amount. If you know first amount, just decreasing 200, 200, 200, we will get. But we don't know the first amount. Now, if I take 300, 300 minus 200, 100. 100 minus 200, minus 100. So this is wrong. And if you take 600, 600 minus 200, 400. 400 minus 200, 200. 200 minus 200, 0. But the sum of these four not equal to 2,800. So like this, we should distribute 4 prizes which are decreasing order with 200 difference. So we don't know the first prize amount. So I'm taking, let X be the first prize amount. First prize amount. Now, if X is the first prize amount, then what is the second prize amount? Then X minus 200 is second prize amount. Is second prize amount. Why? Because if you take whatever it is, the first and the second should be less than the first, less than 200. 200 less than the preceding one. And X minus 400 is third prize amount. And X minus 600 is fourth prize amount. If you write in order, therefore, the first is X. And the second will be minus 200, na? X minus 200. See, this is 200 less than the preceding one. And next it will be X minus 400. See, this is 200 less than this one, not this one. Preceding one we have to see. And next, X minus 600. This is 200 less than to preceding one. Or prizes amount. But here given what? The sum of all these is 2,800. Given X plus X minus 200 plus X minus 400 plus X minus 600 is equal to 2,800. Now, X plus X plus X plus X. So 4 times we have now, that is 4X. Now number minus 200 minus 400 minus 600 is equal to 2800. Now minus 200 minus 400 will be minus, so see like this, easy, 600, 400, 1000, 1000, 1000 and 200, 1200, but all are in negative, na? So we can write 4x minus 1200 is equal to 2800. Now if you take 1200 that side, 4x is equal to 2800 minus, sorry, plus 1200. Why? Because this is negative. If you take right side, it will be positive. Now 2800 plus 1200 will be 2000, 3000, 4000. 4x is equal to 4000. Now 4 1 ja 4, 0, 0, 0. So the value of x is equal to 1000. So what is the amount of first price? First price amount is what? X is equal to 1000. He is asking what? Find the value of each of the prices. So all prices amount is asking. I am writing. Here I am writing first price is equal to x is equal to 1000. Second price is equal to x minus 200. Second price amount x minus 200 is equal to x means 1000. 1000 minus 200. 1000 minus 200 is equal to 800 is second price amount. Third price amount. Third price is equal to x minus 400 is equal to x minus 400. X is what? 1000 we got already. So 1000 minus 400 is equal to 600. 600 is what? Third price amount. Fourth price amount. Fourth price. That is what? X minus 600. X minus 600 is equal to 1000 minus 600 is equal to 400. So this is fourth and this is third and this is second and this is the first. We got first price amount, second price amount, third price amount, fourth price amount. The sum of all these values should be equal to, amount should be equal to 2800. Just take one. 1000 plus 800, 1800. 1800 and 400 plus 600, 1000. 1000 plus 1800 is 2800. So this is one of very important question and very easy if you understand the question. Otherwise, it is very difficult to solve. Okay. And after this, I'm going to give you 17th question. What is 17th question? Just wait, I will write the question. The 17th and 18th and 19th all are very important. What is 17th question? The production of TV sets in a factory increases uniformly. Listen carefully. The production of TV sets, the production of TV sets increases uniformly by a fixed number every year. In a factory, uniformly increased by a fixed number. So production is increasing. Suppose first is increasing by a fixed number in every year, I think, right? 1 minute. Yeah, fixed number every year. Every year. So if you take first year 200 TVs, second year it is increased by suppose 50, then that will be, suppose first year they make 100 TVs, second year suppose it will be 150. What is the increase? 50 TVs extra. And third year 200, again increase 50 TVs. Like this every year fixed number of TVs will be produced, extra produced. That is increasing. We call increasing. So every year increased by the fixed number. In a factory, the set TV sets. Then some more information is given. It produced 8,000 TVs, 8,000 sets in sixth year. In sixth year, and 11,300 in ninth year. This also given data, very useful for you. The TV sets are increasing every year by fixed number in a factory. They are given in sixth year, not given first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Sixth year, it reaches to 8,000 sets, and ninth year it reaches to 11,300 sets. Then he is asking to find what? Find the production in first bit. What is asking? Production in first bit. First year. You are given sixth year and ninth year. Not given in first year. We have to find the production in first year, and also eighth year. We are given sixth year and ninth year. Eighth year not given. We have to find. And also, third, very important, 6 years, not 6 years. 6 years means, I will tell you. See, suppose first day, we don't know. I mean, first year, we don't know. Second year, we don't know. Third year, we don't know. Fourth year, we don't know. Fifth year, we don't know. Sixth year, we know. How many TVs in sixth year? 8,000 TVs. They are manufacturing, they are making ready 8,000 TVs only in sixth year. Not all, not some of all these years. Not in 6 years. Sixth year. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth year. Seventh year, we don't know. Eighth year, we don't know. Ninth year, we know how many TVs the factory is making in ninth year. 11,300 TVs they are making in ninth year. The first question is asking what? How many TVs we are making in first year? Second question is what? How many TVs they are making in eighth year? Third question is asking what, you know, not in sixth year, already given sixth year. Is asking how many TVs they made in 6 years. Means sum of TVs in 6 years is asking. Suppose here, suppose 100, here 200, here 300, here 400, here 500, 600, here 700. To understand easy, 800, this is 900. In first year, how many TVs? 100. In second year, how many TVs? 200. In third year, how many TVs we are making? 300 with same 100 gap, 100 difference. In fourth year, we are making, I mean, the factory is making 400. In fifth year, 500. In sixth year, 600. Seventh year, 700. Eighth year, 800. Ninth year, 900. And ninth year, 900. They are making yearly like this. They are making. If I ask you how many TVs in 3 years, in total 3 years, if I ask you how many TVs they are making in fifth year, 500. Can you answer me? I will ask you questions for this 100. Hello.
Hello, sir.
Again.
Hello, sir.
Can you answer me if I ask you a question? See, forget this explain 8,000, whatever it is. Come to this third line. In first year, how many TVs they are making?
100, sir.
In eighth year,
Sir, 8th year 800.
800. Don't mute. Just tell me. In third year,
300.
300. In sixth year,
600.
600. In 5 years,
500.
not in fifth year. That is the wrong answer. Listen carefully that what I am saying. I am asking not in fifth year. If first year 100, fourth year 400, seventh year 700, ninth year 900. That I asked you already. Now I am asking question. Listen carefully. In 5 years, not in fifth year. In 5 years, how many TVs they will manufacture? Tell me. In 5 years, calculate and tell me in a paper. Calculate in a paper and tell me.
Sir,
Or you
1500.
calculate yourself. 1500. Now I will check 100, 200, 300, 600 plus 4, 1000, 1000 plus 5, 1500. Very good. So that's why I'm telling you, you should read the question properly. See, first bit is asking first year how many TVs? 100 is the answer. 8th year how many TVs? 800 is the answer. The third one is not sixth. In 6 years, how many TVs? That is the question. So we have to add all 6 years TVs. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one we have to add. That is sum of terms formula we have to use. Sum of terms formula we have to use. Understand? Given the concept of the third question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, then I will proceed. Listen. Here given 2 hints. Production in 6th year. Solution. In 6th year. In 6th year, how many TVs? 8,000 TVs. 8,000 sets, TV sets. In 9th year, in 9th year, how many TV sets? 11,300 sets. Generally, this is first year from question, but we can take as the first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, seventh term, eighth term, ninth term. If you take as term, this is sixth term, this is ninth term. Then by using nth term formula, therefore P6 is equal to, therefore P6, sixth term, that is 6th year, P6 is equal to A plus 6 minus 1 into D is equal to 8,000. And ninth, T9 is equal to A plus 9 minus 1 into D is equal to 11,300. Listen carefully. Now, A plus 6
Sir, that
minus
is
1, 5D. Yeah, what?
That is 8,000.
Thank you. Very good. You are listening. A plus 6 minus 1, 5D is equal to 8,000. Let equation number 1. And this is A plus 9 minus 1, 8D is equal to 11,300. Equation number 2. Now, same process, previous questions. Now I am doing 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Now I am doing LHS subtraction. LHS. That is what? That implies A plus 8D minus this one. A plus 5D is equal to RHS. 11,300 minus 8,000. Now here A plus 8D plus minus into plus minus A minus into plus minus 5D is equal to 11,300 minus 8,000 is what? 3,300. A cancel. 8D minus 5D. 3D is equal to 3,300. Now 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja, 3 1 ja, 0 0. So D is equal to 1100. What is the common difference? 1100 means in every year they are making 1100 TVs extra. That is a fixed number. Fixed number means in every year they are making 1100 TVs extra. Understand? For each year they are making extra 1100 for comparing preceding year. So D we got, put in equation number 1. Then you will get what? This only na, A plus, I'm writing implies here, A plus 5 into D, 1100 is equal to 8000. Now, 5 into 1100, A plus 5500 is equal to 8000. Now, A is equal to 5500, I'm taking right side, that will be 8000 minus 5500 you will get. 8000 minus 5500 will be 2500. 2000 to 3500, I think. A is equal to 3500, 4000, 4 plus 5. So, no, 2500. The A value is what? 2500, but we know A is the first term. So, we got here A and D. E is asking what? First year what? What is the first year TV set? First year. A is equal to 2500. And also is asking 8th year. 8th year. 8th year. 8th year means C8 is equal to A plus 8 minus 1 into D is equal to A 2500 plus 8 minus 1, 7 into D. D is 1100. 1100 is equal to 2500 plus 1100 into 7, 7700. So the total value 7000, 8000, 9000 and 7 plus 5 is 12. Na? 10,200 TVs they will make in 8th year, and in first year they will make 2,500 TVs. And he is asking what in 6 years. So that is, this is the first one, 3,300. This is the first bit. This is the second bit. Now third bit is what? Sum of sets in 6 years. In 6 years. So n value is clearly 6. Why? Because sum of numbers in 6 years. First year, second year, third year, fourth year, fifth year, 6 years. 6 years means 6 terms. So sum we are finding. The sum of 6 terms. The sum of 6 year TVs we are finding. Na? That's why n is equal to 6. Therefore, Sn is equal to n by 2. That is S6 we have to write is equal to, you know already formula. What is the formula? Sum of numbers formula. Actually here no place. That's why I'm not writing. I will write here. Just see, Sn is equal to n by 2 of 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now I'm writing here S6 is equal to 6 by 2 into 2a. What is 2a? 2500 into 2, that is 5000. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. 2a plus n minus 1. What is n? 6. 6 minus 1 is what? 5. 5 into, what is d? 1100 is equal to, I'm writing here, 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja, cancel. 3 into 5000 plus 5 into 11, 5500. This is equal to what? 5000 plus 5500 will be 10,500 into 3. 3 into 10,500. So this is equal to 10 into 3, 30. 5 into 3, 15. So total you will get what? 3 into 0, 0. 3 into 0, 0. 3 5 is 15. And 3 into 0, 0. 1. And 3 1 ja 3. So total the sum of TVs in 6 years 31,500 sets. 31,500 sets. So here the solution is very easy, but you should understand the question. You should understand the question. Otherwise, it is very, very easy. If you not understand, the question is very, very difficult to solve. That's why, first of all, you should understand the question. So every time I am saying that only you should understand, you should understand, you should understand the question. Any doubt if you have, ask me. more 3 minutes there. If you have any doubt,
Sir, no, sir.
no, na? So
No, sir.
can you copy this? And the first one you copy from video, okay, na?
Okay, sir.
More time we have, na? That's why I have to take one more class for senior inter. That's why, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, copy this. And after copy, please inform me. I will close the meeting. Thank you.